How to redeem a gift card on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem or apply a gift card on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to apply a gift card on Uber Eats, all you have to do is go and launch the Uber Eats application here. After you do that, make sure that you are signed into your account. Tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner, then go to the option called Wallet from the top. From there, you can go to Payment Methods and tap on Add Payment Method. After you do that, you can see we have an option to add different type of payment method, but we want to add a gift card, so look for the option known as gift card and then tap on it. Now all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your PIN or your gift card code, which could be 16 or 24 digits or however. After that, tap the save option from the bottom and your gift card will get added. Next time whenever you make an order on Uber Eats, the balance is going to get automatically deducted based on the value of the gift card. This way you will be able to redeem your Uber Eats gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.